Structural analysis. Part 2. Previously asked questions. In Civil Engineering Exams. Presented by Commission Corner. Like, share and subscribe. Question number 21. In moment distribution method, the sum of distribution factors of all the members meeting at any joint is always 0. Less than 1. 1. Greater than 1. Answer, option C. Question number 22. When a uniformly distributed load, shorter than the span of the girder, moves from left to right, then the conditions for maximum bending moment at a section is that the head of the load reaches the section, the tail of the load reaches the section, the load position should be such that the section divides it equally on both sides. The load position should be such that the section divides the load in the same ratio as it divides the span. Answer, option D. Question number 23. The width of the analogous column in the method of column analogy is 2/EI, 1/EI, 1/2 EI, 1/4 EI. Answer, option B. Question number 24. Muller-Breslau's principle for obtaining influence lines is applicable to trusses, statically determinate beams and frames, statically indeterminate structures, the material of which is elastic and follows Hooke's law, any statically indeterminate structure. The correct answer is A, I, 2, and 3, B, I, 2, and 4, I, and 2. Only, I. Answer, option A. Question number 25. L/EI, L/2 EI, L/3 EI, L/4 EI. Answer, option A. Question number 26. The degree of static indeterminacy of a rigid jointed space frame is M plus R, 2J, M plus R, 3J, 3M plus R, 3J, 6M plus R, 6J, where M, R, and J have their usual meanings. Answer, option D. Question number 27. Degree of kinematic indeterminacy of a pin-jointed plane frame is given by 2J, R, J, 2R, 3J, R, 2J plus R. Answer, option A. Question number 28. The number of independent equations to be satisfied for static equilibrium of a plane structure is 1, 2, 3, 6. Answer, option C. Question number 29. The degree of static indeterminacy of a pin-jointed space frame is given by number of joints M plus R, 2J, M plus R, 3J, 3M plus R, 3J, M plus R plus 3J. Answer, option B. Question number 30. While using 3 moments equation, a fixed end of a continuous beam is replaced by an additional span of 0 length, infinite length, 0 moment of inertia. None of the above. Answer, option A. Question number 31. Select the correct statement. Flexibility matrix is a square symmetrical matrix. Stiffness matrix is a square symmetrical matrix. Both A and B. None of the above. Answer, option C. Question number 32. A, 0.211 L, B, 0.25 L, 0.234 L, 0.5 L. Answer, option A. Question number 33. Study the following statements. The displacement method is more useful when degree of kinematic indeterminacy is greater than the degree of static indeterminacy. The displacement method is more useful when degree of kinematic indeterminacy is less than the degree of static indeterminacy. The force method is more useful when degree of static indeterminacy is greater than the degree of kinematic indeterminacy. The force method is more useful when degree of static indeterminacy is less than the degree of kinematic indeterminacy. The correct answer is I, and 3. 2, and 3, C, I, and 4. D, 2, and 4. Answer, option D. Question number 34. Bending moment at any section in a conjugate beam gives in the actual beam slope, curvature, deflection. Bending moment. Answer, option C. Question number 35. The number of independent displacement components at each joint of a rigid jointed space frame is 1, 2, 3, 6. Answer, option D. Question number 36. Independent displacement components at each joint of a rigid jointed plane frame are 3 linear movements, 2 linear movements and 1 rotation, C, 1 linear movement and 2 rotations. D, 3 rotations. Answer, option B. Question number 37. If there are M unknown member forces, R unknown reaction components and J number of joints, then the degree of static indeterminacy of a pin-jointed plane frame is given by A, M plus R plus 2J, M, R plus 2J, M plus R, 2J, M plus R, 3J. Answer, option C. Question number 38. The carryover factor in a prismatic member whose far end is fixed is 0, 1/2, 3/4, 1. Answer, option B. Question number 39. Effects of shear force and axial force on plastic moment capacity of a structure are respectively to increase and decrease, increase and increase, decrease and increase, decrease and decrease. Answer, option D. Question number 40. The degree of kinematic indeterminacy of a pin-jointed space frame is 2J, R, 3J, R, J, 2R, J, 3R, where J is number of joints and R is reaction components. Answer, option B. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel Commission Corner for more exam-oriented series and knowledge. Thank you.